Hello, welcome to the We Are Searching YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an event on Facebook app step by step. First, go to Facebook app on your phone. Click on the icon with three lines under the message icon you see in the upper right. Go to the Event option. Tap on the Create button. Two options appear here. If you want to create your event as online, you need to tap on Online section. But if you want to create your event to get together with people at a specific location, you need to tap on In-Person section. The process for both are almost the same. I will continue with the In-Person section as an example. After you tap on In-Person section, you need to adjust your event name and date and location. Then tap on the Next button to continue. After that, you need to state your location for the event. Then tap on the Next again. By tapping on Description part, you can state some information about your event for invitees. Here you can select a photo for your event by tapping on Add Photo button. In these three options highlighted in red, you can adjust your event description, location, and other event settings. After that, tap on the Create Event button. Your Facebook event creation process is completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment, and click the bell for new videos.